Here at Dark Angel Medical, we believe it's great to have St. Mike on your 6. That's why we created the St. Mike bag, Severe Trauma Medical Intervention Kit Emergency Bag. This comes in black and it comes in coyote brown. It gives us the ability to have our first line trauma items first line. So you grab the tab here, pull this open, you've got all of your bleeding control material here, tourniquets, you've got cats, you've got soft teas, and you also have different types of quick clot hemostatic, standard compressed gauze, along with emergency bandages. Now, close this up and flip it around, and you've got a zippered pouch here that contains all of your chest seals. So we've got the halo vented chest seals in here. On either side, we've got 2 side pockets, one containing a large number of small Band-Aids, along with some quick clot 4x4s and a CPR mask. The other side was what we call our environmental side. It's got glucose, an afterbite stick, it's got eye wash, hand sanitizer, along with antibacterial wipes, a sunscreen, and sting wipes, as well as small burn gels in here. When we open up the main compartment, this is where more of our minor first aid items are. So pull this tab, flip it back. You've got splinting material, you've got gloves, gauze, surgical tape, triangular bandages, and many, many more items to make this one very capable bag for multiple personnel. So head over to darkangelmedical.com, check out the St. Mike bag, get St. Mike on your 6, get that kit, get trained, and be the difference.